Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to create a monthly budget for your finances. Budgeting might sound boring, but trust me, it's the key to financial freedom and peace of mind. So grab a notebook, a pen, and maybe a cup of coffee, and let's get started. Alright, let's break it down into simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, manageable budget that you can stick to every month. Ready? Let's go! Step number 6. Calculate your income. Understanding your total monthly income is crucial for effective financial management. By accounting for your salary, earnings from side hustles, freelance work, and any other revenue streams, you establish a foundational understanding of your financial resources. This clarity enables you to make informed decisions about budgeting, savings, and investments. It also helps in setting realistic financial goals and allows you to prioritize spending based on your income levels. Ultimately, knowing your monthly income provides a solid starting point for creating a stable and sustainable financial plan. Understanding your income is crucial for making informed decisions about budgeting, saving, and spending. This foundational step is essential for achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals, as it provides a comprehensive view of your financial resources and helps you allocate them wisely. By knowing exactly how much money you have coming in regularly, you can better plan for necessary expenses, prioritize savings for emergencies and future investments, and allocate funds towards discretionary spending responsibly. This understanding also empowers you to make adjustments when needed, such as increasing your income through career advancement or side hustles, or reducing expenses to stay within your financial means. Ultimately, a clear grasp of your income ensures that your financial decisions are grounded in reality and aligned with your long-term objectives. Step number 5. List your expenses. Next up, list all your monthly expenses. When listing monthly expenses, it's essential to start with fixed costs. Fixed costs include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, electricity, water, internet, transportation costs, car payments, public transportation passes, insurance, health, car, and any subscription services like streaming platforms or gym memberships. Variable expenses can include groceries, dining out, entertainment, clothing, personal care items, and unexpected costs like repairs or medical expenses. It's crucial to budget for both fixed and variable expenses to maintain financial stability and plan for savings or investments effectively. Creating a comprehensive budget involves accounting for various categories of expenses to ensure financial stability. Beyond essential costs like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and transportation, it's crucial to anticipate occasional expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, and gifts. These additional categories help cover unexpected costs and prevent financial strain. Moreover, budgeting should also allocate funds for savings and investments to build a secure financial future. By including all these elements in a budget, individuals can effectively manage their finances, maintain stability, and achieve long-term financial goals. These additional categories help cover unexpected costs and prevent financial strain. Moreover, budgeting should allocate allocate funds for savings and investments to build a secure financial future. By including all these elements in a budget, individuals can effectively manage their finances, maintain stability, and achieve long-term financial goals. These irregular expenditures, though not monthly, are essential to budget for to avoid financial strain when they arise unexpectedly. By including all these categories in your budget, you can better manage your finances and achieve your financial goals effectively. Step number 4. Categorize and prioritize. Now, categorize your expenses. Categorizing your expenses is an essential practice for managing your finances effectively. Begin by identifying your essential expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and necessary bills like insurance and transportation costs. These are critical for maintaining your daily living standards and should be prioritized accordingly. Next, understanding and managing discretionary expenses is crucial for maintaining financial health. These expenses encompass non-essential items such as dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, and luxury purchases. By diligently tracking spending in these categories, individuals gain valuable insights into their financial habits. This awareness empowers informed decision-making regarding budget adjustments and savings goals. Whether aiming to cut back on unnecessary expenditures or redirect funds towards savings or investments, monitoring discretionary spending plays a pivotal role in achieving long-term financial stability and goals. By organizing your expenses into categories, you gain clarity on your financial habits and can take proactive steps to achieve financial stability and meet your long-term objectives. Once you've accounted for your essentials, turn your attention to discretionary spending expenses that are non-essential but add to your quality of life, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. By distinguishing between these two categories, you can more easily identify areas where you can cut back if necessary, ensuring that your essential needs are met while managing your overall budget more effectively. Step number 3. Set your budget limits. Once you have categorized your expenses, the next crucial step is to establish spending limits for each category by assigning a specific amount to cover expenses within each one. This allocation process forms the foundation of your monthly budget. It's essential to approach this task with realism, considering both your income and your financial goals. Setting realistic limits ensures that you can effectively manage your expenses without overspending, thereby helping you maintain financial stability and work towards your financial objectives. Regularly reviewing and adjusting these limits based on your actual spending patterns also contributes to better financial planning and management over time. For example, if you typically spend $200 a month on groceries, setting your budget to $100 would be impractical and challenging to adhere to. The goal is to establish a budget that you can realistically follow, allowing for some flexibility while ensuring you stay within your overall financial limits. This careful planning will help you manage your money more effectively and avoid unnecessary financial stress. Step number 2. Track your spending. This step is crucial. Tracking your spending throughout the month is a crucial step in managing your finances effectively. Whether you use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook, the important thing is to find a method that works best for you and stick to it. By logging every expense, you can stay on top of your budget and gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. This practice allows you to identify areas where you might need to make adjustments, helping you to save more and spend wisely. Keeping a meticulous record of your spending is crucial for achieving financial stability and making informed decisions about your money. By documenting every expense, from daily purchases to larger investments, you gain a clear understanding of where your money goes. This knowledge allows you to identify areas where you can save or cut back, allocate funds more effectively towards savings or investments, and avoid unnecessary debt. Moreover, tracking your spending habits over time helps you set realistic budgets, prioritize financial goals, and adapt your financial plans as needed. Ultimately, the discipline of maintaining detailed financial records not only enhances your current financial well-being, but also lays a solid foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Step number 1. Review and adjust at the end of each month. It's beneficial to dedicate time to reviewing your spending habits and comparing them against your budget. This routine allows you to assess how closely you've adhered to your financial plan and pinpoint any areas where you may have exceeded your intended expenditures. By analyzing these discrepancies, you can make informed adjustments to your budget for the upcoming month, aligning it more closely with your actual spending patterns and financial goals. This proactive approach not only helps in managing your finances more effectively, but also empowers you to make strategic decisions to improve your financial health over time. Remember, budgeting is a dynamic and ongoing process. It's about discovering what works best for you and continually making improvements to achieve your financial goals. By regularly assessing and adjusting your budget, you can develop healthier spending habits and maintain better control over your finances. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to creating a monthly budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.